going to another example. Find a Cartesian B when and A is x such that x is equal to 1 2 3 and B is such that y is y such that x square. So here A is x such that x is equal to 1 2 3 and this represents 1 2 3. Again B, what is B? B is y such that y is x square. So if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to also 1. If x is equal to 2, then it will be square 4 and again 9. So now finding the A Cartesian B. So finding A Cartesian B is equal to 1 2 3 and Cartesian product 1 4 9. So make order pair 1 and 1, again 1 and 4, again 1 and 9, again 2 and 1, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 9, again 3 and 1, 3 and 4 and 3 and 9. Here now exercise 1.2 general section. If A is equal to ABC and B is equal to XYZ, find A Cartesian B and B Cartesian A. Which of the following set of ordered pairs represent relation from A to B? Give reason for your answer. Here R1 is AX, BY and CZ. So in relation first there, if we represent A1 and or alphabetical number by numerical order, then there may be a constant difference or some less than or equal to. So R2 is yes, it is a relation. So AX, BY, CZ, AY, BZ, it also may be a relation. So because here x is always put x y z is always put in second order pair or x y component, but a b c in all these order pairs are kept in kept in uh, x components. So here R3 is AX, BZ and XC. So AX, BZ is correct, but here third order is reverse order or inverse order. So XC. So no, this does not contain any relation. If A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 4 5, find a relation from set A to set B such that y is equal to x plus 4 and it is given that. So first of all what we have to do, so make Cartesian product A and B, then from this set relation y is equal to x plus 4. So if we choose any number in x, that will present in 1, that is if we put x is equal to 1, so y will be 5. So what is the relation? 1 and 5 will be answer. So again it is given that R is equal to A1, B2, C3. Find the range and domain of R. So let I can do it. So I do here number 3. What will be the range? Y component is always range. So here 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 is they are the ranges. And again domain, what is the domain? First component of the ordered pairs A, B and C. So A, B, C is a what? Domain. Okay. Now find the inverse of the following relation, that is if R is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what will be the inverse? Here R is A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. So what will be the inverse? So R inverse is interchanging the component of x and y. So A is replaced by B and B is replaced by A. So BA DC FE HG. In this way others can be find out easily. Here now number 6. Number 6, if the range of the function fx is equal to 7x minus 18 is 13, find its domain. Now copy the equation. Here 6. So what is here given? Fx is equal to 7x 18 and range. What is the range? The range is given 13. So domain is equal to what? So fx always represent range. So at this y is equal to fx is equal to 7x minus 18 or y is 13. 13 is equal to 7x minus 18 or 13 plus 18 is equal to 7x. So 3 now or 7x is equal to 31 by 7. This is the answer. Question number 8. Given function fx is equal to 2x plus 3, find a f1 b f minus 2 c f a and d f plus a2 and e f b square. So it is very simple. Only just put if here 8a. So here fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Fx is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we have to find f1. So what will be f1? So 2 into 1, just replace or put the values of x at the place x. So 1 and this is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Again we have to find out minus 5. So what will be the minus? So into minus 5 plus 3 minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. Again we have to find fc. So what is fc? fa. So fa, just put 2a plus 3. Now at last fa plus 2. So just replace x by a plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 2a plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 2a plus 7. Again we have to find out fb and square. So first of all fb. So 2b plus 3 whole square, because it is whole square. Okay, so 4b square plus 2 to 6 12 b plus 9. This is all answer. Again, so in this way we can find the values of all the functions by putting this or replacing the x directly. So copy is function our 9. Similarly all the questions can be done easily. Let again copy each of the following mapping diagram and state with the reason whether they are function or not. Also write the type of function. Which type of function? So we can conclude that if x, y, z and this is 1 2 3 4. So z, so this is into function, this is into function because all the members are not mapped or all the components are not mapped. So it is into function and it is function because each pre-images have unique image in this or y, in the y, so it is a into function. Again, if we take this x y, it is, this is not a function, is not a function, is not a function, because here y has a two images, y has a two images, so one component in x, one component in x should have only one image. In this situation it will be function, but here y has a two component, so it is not a function. It is a function because every element of x, every element of x is mapped in y, so and every element has a unique element. A unique element may be same of all components, so it is a function, is a function. Here is a function. Now it is not a function because z is not mapped to anyone, so it is not a function. Okay, is not a function. So in this way all the exercise can be done, or other books can be see examples in other books also, and you can understand easily. First of all, see all the theory about these chapters, ordered pairs and relation and function, domain, codomain, range, etc. All read and remember, and then see examples. You can easily do it. Every exercises uh, based on this chapter in any book. So thank you.